Welcome to this product review of the 4A7A60 American Standard Gold 16 AC, your key to ultimate home comfort. Hello, I'm Denny Brown, your Golden Rule expert, here to take you through the fantastic features of this cooling system. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk features. This American Standard Gold 16 AC boasts an impressive SEER rating of up to 6.2, which means its energy efficiency at its finest. With a two-stage cooling, you get consistent comfort throughout your home. No more hot spots or uneven cooling. Speaking of efficiency, this unit is ENERGY STAR certified, so you can trust it to save you money while being eco-friendly. Wondering if this is the right unit for you? Well, it's perfect for homeowners planning to stay in their homes for the long run, around 10 years or more. It's a reliable investment in your home's comfort. Now let's address the cost. The price for installing the 4A7A60 American Standard Gold 16 AC typically ranges between $7,000 and $9,000, making it a budget-friendly option for quality cooling. So in conclusion, the 4A7A60A American Standard Gold 16 AC is a fantastic choice for homeowners seeking efficient, reliable cooling that provides consistent comfort. Plus, it's budget-friendly and perfect for the long term. For more information or to schedule your installation, visit our website at goldenrulephce.com. Thanks for joining us for this product review. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next video.